This is the smallest Flybridge model in Riviera's growing family, the Riviera 39 Sports Motor Yacht. And just because it's the smallest, it doesn't mean it misses out on any of the trimmings that make Riviera one of the most desirable cruising choices worldwide. The sports in its name refers to the 39 SMY's sharp lines and the big performance from the twin 425 horsepower Volvo Penta D6 pod drive engines that power it. At around $930,000, it's also Riviera's most affordable Flybridge model. Everywhere you look, the Riviera 39 Sports Motor Yacht has quality finishes and fittings. The light Airy Saloon includes a glass door and a flip-up awning window to bring the outside in. This creates a single entertaining space connecting the cockpit, barbecue and swim deck. Upstairs, the space closes off to make it very child-safe. The Flybridge helm station mirrors the one downstairs, including twin Garmin glass cockpit touchscreens. The downstairs helm is more comfortable and protected from the weather. This space includes a galley and dinette and a 32-inch TV that flips up to face the cockpit. Downstairs, the master stateroom is large, light and airy. A second stateroom with 3 singles, 2 of which can form a double bed, is off to one side. A door from the master suite provides private access to the bathroom with electric flush toilet and full standing headroom shower. On the water, the twin Volvo Pentas provide plenty of cruising performance. Throttle up and the Riviera 39 Sports Motor Yacht will hit a top speed of around 33 knots and plane comfortably at around 18 knots. This motor yacht features another Riviera innovation, a flip-up cockpit floor that makes maintenance a breeze and, more importantly, lowers the cost of ownership. The Riviera 39 Sports Motor Yacht is a clever use of space in a compact form that taps into the same build quality, performance and fit out as a boat costing almost 4 times as much.